Land preparation, spacing and planting of common beans. Prepare land 2 to 4 weeks before the rains using a djembe, bull plow or tractor. Allow all organic materials in your farm to decompose fully. If you're practicing conservation agriculture, make sure there's minimum tillage and your farm is covered with crop residue and mulches. Plant at the start of the rains. For an acre, you need between 20 kilograms and 30 kilograms of seed. Plant at 50 centimeters between rows and 20 centimeters between plants for the sole crop. Plant 1 or 2 seeds per hill. 50 by 20 requires 2 seeds per hill to attain their needed plant population. 50 by 10 is 1 seed per hill. You can intercrop beans with maize as well. Planting space between maize crops is 75 centimeters, which is standard planting spacing for maize. For one maize to the other is 25 centimeters. Plant 1 row of beans in the middle of the maize rows.